the cell phone. Apple. First iPhone was announced by Steve Jobs on January 9, 2007, and it was released on June 29, 2007, priced at $490 for the 4 gigabytes model and $599 for the 8 gigabytes model. It was a revolutionary device of original iPhone featured a 3.5-inch display, a 2-megapixel camera, and a multi-touch interface.
The IBM Simon personal communicator, often considered the first smartphone with a touchscreen, was developed by IBM engineer Frank J. Canova and released in 1994.
Martin Cooper, aka the father of cell phone, and former head of Motorola's communication system division and the first person